Hi guys! Welcome to Yalini's Kitchen. Am I helping you out in your kitchen? Welcome to Shami's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make gooseberry tokku, or you can call it Nellika tokku. She's gonna help me make a mess. Just kidding. She'll just help me be like knocking things down. Well, I'm gonna make Nellika tokku because it's an easy recipe, and I also heard that it's a very healthy recipe. And you can store this dish for almost 3 to 4 weeks in your refrigerator. Come on, let's see the ingredients. Yeah, let's see the ingredients. Yay! You reminded Akka, I forgot. Yeah, let's see the ingredients. Now let's boil our gooseberries. Look at our gooseberries. Okay. Wait for it to boil. Our gooseberries are cooked well. Turn off the stove. Let it cool. While the gooseberries are cooling down, we are gonna dry roast fenugreek seeds. Now our gooseberries has cooled down. Let's take out all the seeds, then we will grind them. I took out all the seeds. Let's grind it. Grind the gooseberry with a little bit of water and make it to a puree. Now we're gonna add sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Add hing powder. Add Kashmiri red chili powder. Add red chili powder. Mix it. Add the gooseberry. Mix it. Salt to taste. Add jaggery. Mix. Cook until it becomes a dark brown color. Add fenugreek seed powder that we grinded. That's all. I cooked it for 15 minutes and the color also came out beautifully. That's all. Our Nellika tokku is ready. It smells so good. But I don't want to try this because it is so spicy. You guys taste it and tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Bye! And guys, remember there's a giveaway. Please participate on it. Bye now!